Welcome to the future of email marketing with ReachMail. Today, we're diving into why using an ESP like ReachMail is crucial for your business's success. Let's begin with why it is essential to use an ESP. Using ReachMail as your ESP is vital for many reasons. Deliverability, not just ensuring your emails deliver, but delivering reliably to your audience's inbox. Compliance with canned spam and other laws. ReachMail stays on top of the compliance updates, keeping you on the right side of the legal requirements. Together with ReachMail, you can adapt to evolving email regulations and best practices. Automatic suppression of unsubscribes. ReachMail manages your unsubscribes automatically, so you don't have to. This is part of keeping you compliant. Extensive tracking and reporting. Insights to refine your email strategies. Now you can make data-driven decisions about your future campaigns. Automation tools, streamlining your campaigns for efficiency. You can schedule follow-up emails, automated reports, drip campaigns, and trigger-based messages. AI tools are also available to streamline the creation of marketing campaigns. ReachMail offers an exclusive integrated list cleaning feature, ensuring your contact lists are clean and effective. Validation is only a part of list hygiene. This feature lets you validate and remove any identified spam traps within your list. Sending to a spam trap, known invalid email, and other potentially dangerous emails is dangerous for your domain. Sending to spam traps has a negative impact on your deliverability and can damage your sending domain reputation. ReachMail enables you to clean your list straight from your list tab using our partnership with a leading email hygiene service. No exporting and re-importing are needed. Perhaps most importantly, ReachMail provides dedicated award-winning support to help you maximize your email marketing efforts. You can get help and guidance from a real person with years of experience. Let's explore ReachMail's account types in more detail. Marketing plans. This is our most common way to send emails. It is ideal for sending email campaigns of all sizes. Plus, we provide full support for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentication to maintain your sender reputation. Email relay. ReachMail supports one-at-a-time emails via SMTP or our powerful API for our easy SMTP relay. This is perfect for those with their own software or standalone email sending tools. Our marketing plans are the most common way to send emails. With ReachMail, you can create and manage campaign messages effortlessly. ReachMail is at the forefront of using AI in email marketing by incorporating features such as subject line suggestions and content analysis. Use a simple drag-and-drop editor or advanced tools for more specific needs. Manage lists flexibly with unlimited options. Utilize unlimited suppression lists to refine your audience targeting. Support custom list fields for tailored messaging. Ensure proper email authentication with integrated SPF, DKIM, and DMARC management. Our relay accounts are designed for those using their own software or standalone tools. ReachMail supports sending emails one at a time via SMTP or API. Our relay service also includes full support for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentication to enhance email security. ReachMail offers advanced features such as a safe notify feature to meet legal compliance requirements, managed services plans for businesses of all sizes, built-in list and IP warming for effective warm-up strategies. This automatically warns your list and/or IP to your total volume. You can set this up to warm at any schedule relative to your list size, content, and domain age. ReachMail also has optimized sending features to help spread your campaign in a way that the mailbox providers perceive most positively. This prevents the mailbox providers from being overwhelmed and improves your overall delivery. In conclusion, ReachMail offers extensive features to elevate your email marketing strategies. From traditional bulk email campaigns to personalized transactional emails, ReachMail equips you with the tools you need to succeed. And remember, behind these powerful features are dedicated experts ready to assist you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how ReachMail can transform your email marketing efforts. And that's just scratching the surface. If you have any questions or are ready to get started, our team is here to help. Reach out to us to discover the future of email marketing with ReachMail.